So I've been experimenting around a little bit with mono and stereo signals. I recently wired my Mobius up to loop 8 going in and out in stereo, and now I can put it anywhere in the chain that I want, which is really nice. And I don't have any more stereo in and out channels, so I started kind of experimenting. If you'll notice the color of the tape here, sorry, I'm trying to videotape and hold a guitar all at the same time. Anyway, the blue is channel, or loop 6, sorry. The blue is loop 6, and the yellow is loop 4. So if you look down here, I've got loop 4, yellow, loop 6 is blue. And I've got this cheapy modulation pedal. So normally, if you're not understanding this, these two together would be loop 6, and these two together would be on a pedal as loop 4, both in mono. But if I run 6 straight through and 4 straight through, it doesn't really make a stereo signal, it makes two mono signals that kind of sound like they're in stereo. I don't know how to explain it. If I toggle both loops on at the same time, I'm getting both signals. And if I toggle one or the other off, I'm only getting half of the signal because the pedal thinks it's running in stereo. In other words, a phaser that's going wee 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 would cut to wee wee wee, like exactly half. Maybe I should just show you. To get the stereo signal on the phone, though, I have to turn it sideways. Sorry, I have this crappy clip. So in order for this to come in stereo, I have to turn it sideways, sorry. Alright, so here's my clean signal. Just a little bit of reverb on there. Playing a Fender Strat into a pair of PV Bandits running in stereo. So if I turn on one of them, this is on a flanger, this is the yellow channel, the yellow loop 4. You can hear that rate. If I kick on 6, it's like, now it goes into super stereo and double rate. Turning 6 off. So that's kind of interesting. Just another interesting thing you can do with this thing. I can make it more obvious if I go to the pan. So if you can hear that, turn the boost on. If I turn 6 off, now I'm getting half a signal. And then 6 back on. So it's actually pretty simple what this thing is doing if you think about it. To set it up where you could cut your modulation rate in half just by toggling one of the loops. This is kind of interesting. It doesn't do it in all of the modulations. It does it in this one. If you can't can't see what I'm doing. Let me try to show you with the camera here. Sorry. You can barely see. This is loop 6. I know my camera's sideways. Sorry. I have to do that to get the microphones to split off in stereo. So 6 and 4 here. Try to focus it. Sorry. So nothing. If I hit 4, I get. If I hit 6, now I get double. See that? Just kind of interesting finding here. Phaser. See that? I mean, what I'm doing isn't totally amazing or anything. It makes sense if you think about what's going on. Just something interesting I thought I'd share. Sorry for that noise. My wife is doing yard work.